Alright, you guys, I stepped into Cracker Barrel. So we only have a little bit of Christmas in here. Like, look how stinking cute that salt and pepper shaker. The cat. I wonder if they're 10. $12.99. And the little cat just laying there. That is like really freaking adorable. And behind me, they have a bear. Yeah, the plate with Santa. Ooh. Very similar to Home Goods. Let me pull this out. These are going to be $8. They are $8, and this one has like the cabin, the tree, and snow mixing bowls. Like, okay, these are adorable with the little hollies on them. Oh, do you know what? I wonder if they come in a set, because there is no price on them. Maybe we could find out the price on that. More salt and pepper shakers. You got the little mouse sleeping. The little bear. Look at that. The little mouse sleeping. You have the truck with the tree on it. Those are cute. And then here's the TV. Has a little doggy in the truck. Like a Bronco or a Jeep. And $20. I love it. It was giving me that vintage tin, you know, with all the cookies in there. They have more. Oh my god, that's adorable. The salt and pepper stacker set. Oh my gosh. No idea on the price of these. But look right here, you got the stocking. The vintage light up tree. Oh, and you know what? There's also measuring cups in the back. A lot of this I can't pick up. I'm so sorry. Hopefully they'll move it to the other side when we get closer. And this little guy right here, those little cute little legs. A table runner. A few blankets and pillows. And we have the tree. The tree is out full of ornaments. Look at them smooching. This one is $5.99. The little typewriter. You have books. We have Santa Claus. He's going to be 8. He will be 8. And the cats on the couch, $5. Little reindeer booties. Oh, nestled tucked in bed are the little mice. Like, how stinking cute are these, right? Okay, I love it. I love everything. And we have this typewriter right here. There's no place like home for the holidays. Charles Dickens, The Christmas Stories. This is kind of cool. Look at the binding. That is like really neat. $25. No one dropped that. $25 for that. A memory book. I wonder if this turns on somewhere. But it has like Santa in here. He's gonna go all the way around the little snow globe. I think it's turned on. Oh, here we go. I got it going. That's something. That's kind of cool. You can have it with music, without music. More of the trees. Wow, and look at this for $200. Let me see if I can find a little switch for it. I wonder if it's in the back or something. We have the little nutcracker that's going to come out. The little clock. I'm pretty sure these are going to move around. Okay, we have the little train going. And look, that's like a little swinging. And that nutcracker is going to come out on the time. Okay, that's kind of cool, right? I do like how it lights up. Again, $200. Okay, we have the Snowman and Friends. And only $35. Oh, what'd you do? Or you just... Oh. The Snowman and Friends, $35. We have the cat in here with his cute top hat. There's cookies for Santa. The cookies for Santa, I like that one a lot. Let me bring this one out. And yes, a lot of these are cats. Those are cute. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. More cats right there. Then we got this tree. I'm pretty sure you can turn this on. Pretty sure this train. I don't know if it moves. It does move. Well, they all play the same music. That's one thing I noticed about all the Christmas stuff. I do wish the music was different. But you know what? I do like the little lights on them. And how cute are these little notebooks? We got Santa here in the tree. I'm pretty sure it's like a, little confetti one. Comfort and joy, stockings, reindeer. This is going to be $50 on the ornament. And let's see, this is $1.50. Merry Christmas. We have hope, joy to the world. Those are all $1.50. These are cute. I like how they're tin. I like that vintage one. Oh, look at the cat and the chick, man. That is really adorable. Again, this vintage Santa is going to be my favorite. And it's $1.50. Cheaper than Hobby Lobby. I think so. The gingerbread guy is $1.50. Candy cane down here, $10. And his wreath is going to light up. $5.99 on the Nutcracker. Little stocking. And a little book tree. That's $5. These might be $5 over here on this side. Yeah, these are all $5. Little doggy on the TV. Cats. $3.99. And then down here they're reading yarn, more doggies. Again, $5. Oh my gosh, your bag of coal and teddy bears. The best Christmas cassette. 15, yeah. These do light up. Let me see if I get one going. I think you need batteries, but they light up. Don't forget your Cracker Barrel with the snowman. 8. She has a little mug too. These are all Cracker Barrel ornaments. Oh, look at the coffee. Tree. Herschel and Missy, huh? They got the biscuits, the pancakes, the syrup, a bridge butter, the ham. Merry Christmas, and like the Jello cake. I never had a Jello cake, so I just see them all the time. I never had one. Let's see. Family is the greatest gift. I've been doggone good. That one's cute. And then it looks like these are 7 here. Yeah, these are 7. And then we turn around. Oh, the same one, the 10. Okay. Heather. Okay, we have Santa. Oh, we have the duck or the goose. The blow mold on top. Oh, this is adorable. These are only 10. It's just hanging off 10. You have the mug. There's Santa. And the home. It's a little cat. A lot of cats, I've noticed. And then blow mold of Santa's head. The little keepsake box. Open me. What? I love it. Oh my gosh. Does it tell the story? Musical Santa scene. Let's see. It's turned off. But it does make me... Yeah, it's turned off. No. That's really cool. Okay, I think I got it working. I turned it on. I wish it told a story. It was the night before Christmas. I wonder if there's a different setting. But that is really neat, right? Then we have this tree. The little globe one. Oh my gosh, here's a little soap sponge dish holder. That's adorable. A luxury stationery set. You got the little mice. And then more here. Salt and pepper shaker. That's cute. Santa mouse. Then little plates here. And they have a cat one. Our family Christmas memories. And then we have like the toy shop. But look at that porcelain stocking, which is kind of cool. But I do like that Santa up there. That's kind of neat. Okay, so I feel like they're going to add more, you know, put it in the center. This is what they have right now, which is, I think, kind of cool. And there is some fall on this side. That lamp is really cool. The harvest platter is $28 if you're looking for the harvest lamp. $100. Pumpkin wall frame, $20. And the turkey, oh, it's a candle. Look at Snoot, $29.99. Ball friends. I want to see that one. That's so cute. And of course they have your salt and pepper shakers. We have stuffing mix. Oh, that's so much fun. Do you guys change out your salt? I feel like I want to do this. Pumpkin and cow. And then on top, look on top. Harvest Chew. What's in here? Caramel apple, candy corn, and pumpkin spice. I don't think I ever had a pumpkin spice Tootsie Roll. Maple cream cookies. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I gotta get out of here. We have pumpkin pie bark and maple leaves. Chocolate maple leaves with rich caramel filling. Oh my gosh. $9.50. They have caramel apple butter. Get out of here. I gotta try the Cracker Barrel one. The fall M&Ms are here with the pumpkin and the leaf. Of course, candy corn. They have the pumpkin almonds. Oh my gosh, $3.29. These are everyone's favorite. These are my son's favorite. I think we all like that. Oh, that is a really pretty candle. See, the small candle glitter globe, $20. If you're looking for a large, it will be $25. Oh, look at this one with the owl for $50. How pretty is that? Oh, this guy's cute. He is $70. And chocolate maple cream cookies. Oh gosh, a lot of fall food. Anything else going on? There's all the candy stuff. Gummy bears are large. There's a lot of horse stuff. Okay, I keep walking. Okay, if you're looking for a shirt like this or even a hoodie, you want to check out TJ Maxx and Marshalls because they do have a lot of Snoopy with like the cactus like hoodies. So just keep in mind if you can't find it here or if you're looking for a size, you will always find Snoopy in TJ Maxx and Marshalls. Always. Let's keep moving. In this house we gather, give, and grow. Got the little pig figurine. You got the porcelain one. I like that light. The stained glass is $80. Okay, they do have a butter dish, but go to Home Goods. And they have the pig strainer. Okay, Halloween's in the middle, but that's everything they have. They used to have a big selection of spring decor. I feel like they got rid of it. What is that? S'mores? Oh gosh. S'mores mix. Oh my gosh. This is all 25% off. But you guys, I think it's pretty cool. Found a little bit of Christmas. I think it's amazing. And hopefully we will see more. But I think I'm going to go ahead and end the video because that's pretty much all they have. And Cracker Barrel right here. Same Halloween. You know, I know their Halloween was a little bit different. I do wish they did put out new ones. Is that the Toad Wizard? Let me walk around. The Toad Wizard. Oh my gosh. It's so stinking cute. But you guys, please stay safe out there. And I will see all of you in the next video.